Hi, hello. Um, yeah, today I'm going to show you the biggest dents that I have in my perfume collection. So if you would like to see that, stick around. Let's do this together. By the way, my name is Audrey. Welcome to my channel, and I talk about perfumes. Yeah. So like I said, I'm going to show you the dents that I have. These are the perfumes that I used most in my collection. Some of them have been here for like years now, and the others not not that long. But yeah, so let's get into it. And before we do that, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get into it. First, this is amber, dark cherry and amber from Banana Republic. This is the dent. I don't know if you can see it, but it's here. It's on most of it. These are on their last leg, to be honest. So this is a cherry amber fragrance, like it says in the name, and this is a sour cherry with some woody notes. Um, This this is great for the fall. Really, this is really great for the fall. It's no cloying, if I can say. Yeah, the cherry in here is not really um it's not sweet. It's not a sweet cherry. This smells like a cherry apple pie. Uh-huh. No, this smells like a cherry pie. Okay? Yeah. Anyways, um the only thing with this one, you have to really overspray, like go to town with it, because the longevity is not really that great. But for something that cost, I think this cost me like £20, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's great. It's not expensive, but you really have to overspray. And even when you overspray, you're going to get like at least like 4 hours at best. So if you want something to just go run errands with, or you just like the notes at the you like the way it smells, then yeah, go for it. And next I have Scandal from Jean-Paul Gaultier or Gaultier. Um, you can see that this one is also heading outside, because I don't think I will repurchase this one, if I'm being honest. Not that I don't like it, I like it. This is a honey caramel citrus scent. Like it's really, 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 really sweet. If you don't like sweet things, stay away from this one. Like sometimes it gives me a headache, if I'm being honest. Which is why I really haven't worn it in a very long time, but you can see that I've worn it. So I'm just looking to wear this one like in the coming months, like especially in the evenings, and try to not overspray it, because I know it will give me a headache. But it's a really an amazing scent for someone who's going out clubbing, for someone who don't mind really sweet things. Yeah, like I said, it has honey, has some caramel, it has some beeswax in it. So yeah, it's also sexy. It's also sexy. So I could just see a lady going out wearing this one. Yeah. And this is my dent. You can see that I loved her. So yeah. Next I have Lentil D from Givenchy, and this is a tuberose scent. Yeah, this is this is a classic fragrance. I feel like everybody knows this one, or maybe I'm tripping. I don't know, but this gives me Audrey Hepburn vibes. Yeah, but it has some tuberose. It has um some pear in the opening, and yeah, some jasmine sambac. This is really amazing. I love this one. I've been wearing it a lot. I tend to wear this in the colder months because it can be a little bit overpowering to me. I don't know if it happens to anybody else, but yeah, this is my dance. I've loved her, but I'm gonna love her until leave her because I I think of repurchasing Lentil D, but is it le parfum? Is it intense? The one in the black bottle. Yeah, that's the one that I want to repurchase. But if you want something classy, something like intoxicating, like gives you the kind of makes you feel kind of sexy type of vibe, go for this one. I would really, really, really recommend this one if you like white florals, the tuberose, and all of that. Just go for this one. Really, I would recommend this one. And next, I have a Girl of Now Forever. Yeah, this is a sweet scent. Like this is a sweet, girly scent. It has raspberry, has vanilla, and oh, it smells so great. Like in the spring and summer, this will be amazing. Just picture like this is the girl who wears this wears like a sundress and like flats or sandals, you know, and has her hair in a bun, like a messy bun or wherever. I can do a messy bun. Look at my hair. But yeah, this is what I picture the girl wearing. Like this would be so yeah, this is a really crowd pleaser type of summer fragrance. If you're looking for one, I would really, really recommend this one. I haven't worn this one this summer because it was really like in the back of my collection, and yeah, but it's really amazing. If I get any hot days, I'm gonna wear this one. So yeah, try it. It's really amazing. It's great. It's a great sweet summer fragrance. Next, it's the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. This is where we're at. Then I love this one when layered with Delina or on its own. This is a really like apple 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 scent. Yeah. This is bubbly. This is fruity. This is this smells like something like to me it smells like something I had smelled before, but I don't know what it is. It's really amazing. For the summer, it's amazing. This is like a grab and go type of fragrance. It has like apples, like I said, it has some berries and the vanilla. Yeah. This some people say it's juvenile. I don't know what they mean. But I like her. She's like an easy grab and go. and you're going to be smelling amazing. And the longevity of this one is, it's a medium longevity, and the projection is also medium, but I would recommend this one for someone who wants something sweet, easy to go. You just, you don't want to think about it too much. I would really, really recommend this one because it's amazing. It also has, how many times am I saying amazing in this video? Anyways, it also has some vanilla and florals in here. So yeah, this is my Dent. I've been loving it, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to repurchase this one. It's a 50-50, but I might. Who knows? And the last one is Orange Blossom from Penhaligon's. You might think this is not a big dent, but it is to me because, listen, I love this one, but I have to be in the mood for it. It's not an easy grab and go for me, but I love her. But I love her still. Okay. Um, this is some white flowers and some bergamot. Yeah, and it has like woody touches, sandalwood in the base. This this opens up with green, like it opens up like with some green facets, like they're really harsh. Which is why I said that I really have to be in the mood for this one to wear it. But it's like a citrusy with a hint of florals. Yeah, the projection is is great. I would say like being a freshie, it hits like that 5 hour mark. Yeah, the sillage. It's like the sillage is not great. Like you have to be close to me to be able to smell it. You're not going to smell me from like, I don't know, 5 feet away, like from an arm distance, then you're going to be able to smell this one. Overall, it's like a sweet floral mask with, it has cardamom in the top as well. And yeah, this is Penhaligon's Orange Blossom. I wouldn't recommend to blind buy this, but I think someone said it was discontinued. I don't know. I'll have to check. But if it is, then I'm gonna cherish this one. Not that it's going anywhere. So yeah, but I love her. It's a really floral, citrusy scent. But the bergamot, let me tell you something. The bergamot, when you first spray it, it's in your face with some green facets like the neroli. It's in your face, yeah. And then it dies down to a muskous floral citrusy scent. But overall, I wouldn't fault it because I like her. So overall, I would say this is like a really citrusy scent. This is like a white jean, white top, blue jeans type of fragrance. And if I would repurchase this one, probably yes. And this I would, this is like a 50-50. I'm not sure if I would repurchase this one. And this one I would repurchase, but in the extrait or intense, the one in the black bottle. This is what I would go for. And Scandal, I would buy this one in the Le Parfum version, the one in the red bottle. And this one, I'm not really quite sure. This is also a 50-50. And the dark cherry amber, I wouldn't repurchase this one. Not because it doesn't last, but there's better cherries out there. Um, like the Love Fest. That's what I can think of on top of my head. So I'll probably do that. And yeah, that was it for today. And let me know, do you have like any bigger dents in your collection? And yeah, I will see you in another one. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, or just subscribe. Yeah. And I'll see you in another one. Bye.